What's not to love about cheesecake? Chocolate, raspberry, you name it, there is almost certainly a cheesecake out there for you. There is one downside to cheesecake though, and that's that our stomachs tend to not share the same celebratory experience that our mouths do. After all, cheesecake is about as dairy-forward as a dessert can be, so no wonder we often wind up sluggish and bloated after devouring an indulgent slice. But what if I told you there was a way to savor creamy, dreamy cheesecakes without a single drop of dairy? Cashew cream makes the ideal foundation for this plant-based approach to cheesecake. But before we can make that creamy cashew mixture, we have to start with the crust. Made from a blend of walnuts and dates, hemp seeds and shredded coconut, and a hint of vanilla extract and sea salt, this no-bake cheesecake crust is as delightful as it is nutritious. While the crust sets in your fridge, we can then make the velvety cashew cheesecake base. We're blending soaked cashews with lemon juice, coconut cream, coconut oil, and maple syrup, vanilla extract, sea salt, and our secret ingredient, tapioca starch, to bring it all together. What makes this recipe so fun, besides the shareable size of the cheesecakes, is how customizable it is. In this video, we flavored our cake with hibiscus and rose powder, but the options are really endless. Check out our blog to learn about this blue-hued lavender and butterfly pea flower cheesecake, or this tasty and nutritious matcha and wheatgrass option for a spring green. Whatever flavor you choose, your taste buds and your friends will thank you.